Let me tell you something about life.
North Korea, South Korea, Marilyn Monroe.
Hey, why did you stick my head up? Why didn't you try and stick your head up my ass and gas spray?
Gosh dang it, I've been doing skeleton plots since 9. Tag, you're it! In a land where people like to fornicate with each other, there...
It was 14 years ago. The year was 1927. I had just come back from Wales. I had spent the summer learning to bake frog chips and decipher the ancient fallacies of Burke. When I came to America, I was a new man.
Ever since I was 12 years old, I've had a fascination with the Army. I joined when I was 15. I was part of the 56th Brigade, coming out of Antarctica. It was really fun. I met a lot of interesting people, including a donkey who could speak Arabic. It was awesome. I wish I could go back, but I can't. I'm stuck here in this room with a bunch of oddballs. All right, thanks.
Okay, so it was me, George Washington, James Madison, and Ben Franklin. Okay, so we were fucking high. Really high. We went to the corner store, we saw Eleanor Roosevelt walking along, and we're like, whispering stuff, and all of a sudden we go to the top of the roof, we pour sardines all up and down her, and she's like, you guys are assholes, you'll never amount to anything. And that's freaking weird, because we're all pretty smart. We got freaking good grades and good marks in school. Anyways, I go home, my mom beats me for like a couple minutes because she found out, and then after that, like, I don't know, just gay. It's weird. I can see George Washington being president, you know? He's my best friend, so I have, like, high expectations for him. I mean, you know, he reads a lot. He has wooden teeth. Like, he'll go far, I know that.
Hi, my name is George. I just ate a peppermint patty, and I think I'm gonna shit all over the floor. Someone get a rag!
Oh my gosh, remember the days when I was 22, and I was shooting with my 22, and I couldn't go to school because kids didn't like me?
Yeah, I was wondering if I could buy some cigarettes. Reason is I'm 18 today, and I thought it'd be crazy cool if I could just get a pack of cigarettes.
Dude, you want some cereal? Yeah, I'll take a glass! Ow! Knock, knock. Who's there?
You messed it up.
Alright, go.
Knock, knock.
Fuck it up, buddy.
Who's there?
Cows go.
Cows go who?
No silly
Cows go don't. Wait,
Chikaku kaka!
Cows go moo.
Cows go moo, not.
Fire on the West Side.
Dude, I was watching this movie the other day, and this guy goes, it's been suggested that Stephen Hawking took his brief history of time and stole it from my 4th grade paper. What? This here's water. Not much of it is left. It's 2098. We got 2 years till it's fucking 3000. I'm not really looking forward to it, but here we go. Water's still pretty good for being 900,958,900,000 fucking years old. You alright? You've been in that swamp water for quite some time. Here, let me give you a hand. No! Yeah, Star Spangled Banners and poetry books. Yeah. Woo! Come on. Hey, yeah, woo, yeah, oh. Shit. I got a bathtub full of frickin' crickets, woo. They all chirping in, chopping in, ropping in. Got a floaty and another floaty. Let's go in the pool, god dang it. Yeah, 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 yeah. I like to get on a wagon, put on my shoes, kick on a mule, step on a This song's about tinfoil and its many uses. I hope you enjoy it, because if you don't, I don't know. Tinfoil, you do a lot for me. You wrap my food up and then you keep it fresh.
Oh, so fresh.
And when I have a hot day, I rub you together and the sound it creates is so blissful. I showed you in show and tell, and the kids were amazed because I made you out of a frickin' hotel that soon developed into a real life hotel. You've done so much for me, done so much for the country, yeah. I can't wait to see what you do in the next 500 years. If these people take you out, I might have to punch them each in the face, and that won't feel good. Because it's bone, and bone hurts. So tinfoil, my good friend, I'm gonna use you and use you and use you again and again. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So tinfoil, you are good, you are great, you are grand. You took me far in the game. So when I wrap you up around a fish stick,
Yeah.
you're gonna keep it real fresh when you're in the fridge. When it's cold and sub-zero temperatures, I'll try to get through your skin. You're not gonna let it get through because you're tough as nails, you motherfucker, you. Yeah, oh yeah. Strong material, yeah. Tinfoil. I don't want to put you in the microwave because you're one mother that doesn't like to be fucked with and around electrodes. Electrodes. Yeah. Yes.
Narration is usually used for the designated driver / drunk driver. I wanted to tell each and every one of you that a taxi cab confession can only be broken down into two parts. 1, the composition. 2, Brokeback Mountain. 4, we move on to the next part of our journey, which is discombobulating your jackknife, which is very hard. Jackhammers are made specifically for breaking down cement / concrete. Now, the breakdown of the course will go like this. You'll get quizzes every day and every minute. If you don't pass them, you're shit out of luck, son.